Checked, whole dash almost lit up. SRS light, engine light came on. Of course it didn't start, it's been since 2016 sitting here. So I had to put on some parts that were stolen off. Wiper nuts were taken. The distributor was out of the vehicle. Put a distributor in. And then this one's full manual steering. No AC, so this is a light one. The steering wheel's got a lot of wear for 345,000 K. Cool. Thanks, man. So, park this out here. I'm gonna pick up some wipers. I just wanted to make sure that the brakes weren't locked up on it, but I did a quick bleed on the clutch because there was no pedal. It was sitting for so long. Well, it's Suburban, but yeah, so I think it should be good to get home. I believe there's a blown head gasket. Just popped the cap, cranked it, and it spewed like crazy. So I gotta be swapping this engine really quick. So I'm gonna bring a battery back. I want to put a new battery in. I'm gonna take a battery out of the EJ1 and then get a permit. I don't want to use the company plate. I'm gonna put a permit on it, and then I'll take it home. Yeah, it's terrible. So we'll see how quick I can get this done. All right, yeah, this will be a good project. Something to vlog about. Cool.